Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
After I take my vote and outside. To fill a seat in the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.